Pest Foundation. All apparel is 20% off. If you need anything,
this hat, it looks nice. It'll be durable for the Chicago winter. This scarf, maybe I can tie it around my head or put it on my jacket, for this foundation to last. Am I seeing job or I need to go and see my ophthalmologist? I like this jacket, it will be strong, for Chicago. I like that, I think I need to go and consult my pastor for deliverance. I think I'm seeing trouble, don't you think? Okay, baby.